Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. This is our advanced English course, and in today's video we'll be talking about common grammar mistakes Indians make. That means you and I, we make these mistakes. The first one is using myself incorrectly. We always say myself Ash and I am from Delhi. That's wrong. You need to say I am Ash and I am from Delhi. Don't say myself. Next, we say revert back, which is wrong. I will revert back to you soon. You have to say I will revert to you soon. Revert itself means back. So you don't have to say back in that. Third, using pass out for graduation. When somebody graduates from high school or from college, they say we pass out 10 standard. I pass out 12 standard. That is wrong. You should say I graduated from college in 2020. I graduated from college. Next, we have using prepone. Whenever we have to move the meeting little earlier, we use prepone, which is wrong. You should say, I reschedule the meeting to an earlier time. Instead of saying prepone, you should say reschedule to an earlier time, to the previous time. Next, we have doing a mistake. We always say doing a mistake. That's wrong. You make a mistake. He made a mistake in the exam. Don't say he did a mistake. That is wrong. He made a mistake is the correct one. Next, we have wrong usage of only. And I think you will agree with me that we Indians love using only every time. We always say, I did this only. It was only me. That is wrong. You should say, I am only going to Mumbai. I am only going to Mumbai. That means I'm not going anywhere else. Instead of saying I'm going to Mumbai only. This is wrong. I'm going to Mumbai only is wrong. I'm only going to Mumbai. Alright. Next we have wrong usage of since. Since is used when you have a starting point. Since 5 years. Since 5 years is wrong. Whenever you want to say since 1994, this is correct. But you have duration, you should say for. Whenever you have a duration, say for. Whenever you have a starting point, say since. I hope this distinction is clear. Next we have saying discuss about. Let's discuss about this issue. Discuss itself means enough. We are talking about something. So you don't have to say discuss about. You can say let's discuss this issue. Let's talk on this issue. Don't say discuss about. That's wrong. Next we have more better. This option is more better than the next one. Why are we saying more? Because better itself means it's good than the previous one. This option is more than the last one, or you can just say this option is better than that one. No need to say more. This option is better than the previous one. Next we have saying one of the best. Whenever you have this phrase in your sentences, don't say this is one of the best place I have seen. Say this is the one of the best places. Pay attention to this corner. I by mistake didn't leave much space here. Best places. You have to use plural form. Places. Don't say place. Place is wrong. Places is correct. The next we have on your screen using borrow incorrectly. Whenever you are taking something from someone, or whenever you are, taking somebody's thing, you can say, can I borrow your pen? So you cannot say, can you borrow me your book? This sentence is wrong. You can say, can I borrow your book? Then it's correct. But if you are saying, can you? In that case, you have to say, can you lend me your book? Lend is when you're asking somebody to give you something. Borrow is I'm taking it from you. So can I borrow your pen is fine. Can you lend me your pen? That is fine. So if you are saying you should say lend. Next we have incorrect order of adjectives. In our previous lecture where we were talking about parts of speech, I'll leave the link over here. We discussed about adjectives and we talked about what is the correct order. So if you have a sentence, she bought a red big car. This is wrong. She bought a big red car. The positioning of this and this word will change. And how does that work? This is the correct order of adjectives. So first opinion adjective will come, then size, then age, then we have shape, then we have color, then we have origin, material and purpose. This is the correct order of adjectives. So there is an example on your screen right now. A beautiful, small, old, round, black Italian leather handbag. Beautiful is opinion, small is size, old is age, round is shape, black is the color, Italian is the origin, leather is the material, purpose is the handbag. So this is the correct order. Please remember this order. You can always come up with some shorter version such as OSASCOMP. So there is the shorter version. Also, this is hard, right? So we can say Osascomp, something like that. Osascomp. This is, you can frame your own version of it. This is my version, Osascomp, just to remember the correct order of adjectives. So always, this is the sequence you should be using. Next we have saying more easier. Same mistake, more better, more easier. Just say this method is more easier, that's wrong. This method is easier. Because when you're already using easier, that means you have shown the comparison that this is easier than the previous one. This is better than the previous one. Next we have using I am having for non-action verbs. Non-action verbs are those such as emotions. We don't have any action going on. Actions such as cooking, dancing, these are action verbs. So when you say I am having a car, this is not an action. You own a car. You possess a car. So you can say I have a car. I own a car. I possess a car. Don't say I am having a car. This is wrong. I am having a fever. No, I have a fever. I am having a cold. Wrong. I have a cold. Next we have saying I didn't knew. This is grammatically wrong. You should say I did not know. Did is itself past form, so no need to change this form. This will remain base form. I did not know. Let me know in the comment section how many you make a mistake, how many of these questions you feel that you were making a mistake or you know somebody who's making a mistake. Next we have wrong use of too. This place is too beautiful. That's wrong. This place is very beautiful. No need to say too beautiful. Next we have wrong usage of between. The decision is between you, me and Rahul. This is wrong. The decision is among you, me and Rahul. Whenever there are more than two people, 1, 2, 3, these are 3 people. So you will say among. If it was only 2 people between you and me, then it was correct. It was between you and me. Fine. It's between you, me and Rahul. You have to say among. Next we have saying cousin, brother, sister. That's wrong. I have a cousin, sister. No. I have a cousin or she is my cousin. She is my cousin. Instead of saying cousin, brother and sister, say she is my cousin. Next we have using can, able to instead of can and be able to. I have noticed as a trainer over the last 10 years that majority of my students make this mistake. They always say I can able to do this. No, I can do this or I am able to do this. Use one. Either use I can do this or I am able to do this. Either one of them. Next we have saying what is your good name. How many of you ask this? Hey, what is your good name? That is wrong. You should say what is your name. What is about good? Names are always good. We don't have to say what is your good name. Just say what is your name. And I guess this is the end of the session. If you want to claim your free PDF, all you have to do is write us an email on learnwithsamanash@gmail.com. Every question that we had discussed in the session will be provided to you. Let me know in the comment section if you have got all the answers correct or how many of these you were making a mistake in. I'll see you later. Have a good day.